Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to test fuel pressure regulator. Only way. Begin by locating the regulator on the fuel rail and removing engine covers. Turn off ignition and relieve fuel system pressure carefully using the recommended port or valve. Wear safety glasses and gloves while working near fuel lines. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby as a precaution when handling pressurized fuel components. Attach the fuel pressure gauge to the Schrader-style test port or the adapter fitting on the fuel rail. Make sure the connection is snug and sealed to avoid leaks during engine cranking. Keep a rag over the connection point when loosening fittings to capture drips. Double-check that tools and hands are clear of moving parts before starting the engine for a live pressure reading. Start the engine and observe the fuel pressure gauge for a steady reading that matches the expected specification. With the engine idling, note any pressure fluctuations or drops when revving. A failing regulator often causes major changes. Depress the vacuum line to see if pressure rises, indicating a diaphragm leak. If pressure does not change correctly, the regulator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.